Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 40i, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, open up your standalone contacts application, which will look like this. From there, navigate to the settings with this gear icon and select Import Export Contacts. This will give you a list of different locations where you can import your contacts from. So select where you want to get your contacts from. I'm going to be selecting my SIM card. Then you can select where you can import those contacts to. For me, I have only two options, as you can see, Google account and the phone. Now, if you have more than one Google account, they will all be listed right here, so you can select whichever one you want. And if you don't have any account, obviously it won't show up and you would have only the device as an option. From there, once you select one of those options, it will give you the list of contacts that are located on your selected area. So for me, that's a SIM card, and you can quickly select all of them by clicking right here. Now, if you want most of them, but not all, you could still select all and then deselect contacts that you might not want. From there, click on OK. This will automatically import all selected contacts, and when you go back, you should have them visible in your contacts list. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.